Now, having looked at how to solve linear inequalities, now we want to see the implication of multiplying or dividing an equality by a negative number. So if we have this, let's say, for example, negative 4. So multiply both sides by negative 4. So we have negative 4 times x greater than negative 4 times 2. So that is negative 24 is greater than negative 8. But negative 8 is greater than negative 24. Negative 28 is greater than negative 24. Negative 24 cannot be greater than negative 8. So we realize here, therefore, that when you multiply by a negative number on both sides, then the inequality sign changes. So that if we maintain negative 24 on this side, then the correct statement will be negative 24 is less than negative 8. So the inequality initially was greater than. So if we multiply both sides by negative, then the inequality sign will be reversed. Let us see. If we have the same statement, 6 is greater than 2. Let's attempt to divide both sides by negative 2. We divide both sides by negative 2. And therefore, this is now negative 3, and this is negative 1. So the only true statement is that negative 3 is less than negative 1. So we realize, therefore, that if we multiply an inequality by a negative sign, then the sign will be reversed. Or if we divide by a negative number, then the sign will be reversed. So we can look at this example here. If we're given this equality to solve, so how do we solve this inequality? Having at the back of our mind that when we divide by a negative, then the inequality sign will be reversed. So we take one to the other side so that we have negative 3x is less than 4 minus 1. For negative 3x is less than 3, and we divide both sides by negative 3 and this side by negative 3. Therefore, the inequality sign will be reversed. So x is now greater than negative 1. So remember, every time you divide by a negative sign, the inequality sign will be reversed. Therefore, this one, x is now greater than negative 1. If we can look at another example where we have negative 4 minus 2 over 3x is greater than or equal to 0. So we take negative 4 on the other side so that we have negative 2 over 3x is less than or equal to 4. So we multiply both sides by negative 3 over 2, both sides by negative 3 over 2. And therefore x, since we've multiplied by negative, then the equality sign will be reversed so that it becomes greater than, and that is 2, so that is negative 6. So x is now greater than or equal to negative 6. That about multiplication and division by a negative number.